Hi, I'm Sian, a fashion teacher local to Qingdao. And here I'm in Jiaozhou, the heart of Qingdao, and a hidden gem. It may seem like a place for ordinary factories, but it's one of the biggest distributors of jewelry across China and internationally.
Qingdao is a partner of international brands such as Zara, Forever 21, Next, and my childhood favourite, Claire's Accessories. Really beautiful and attracts my eye a lot. Some of these more vibrant designs, natural elements like feathers or tassels, are really bright and colourful. These designs will be very popular for a Western market. These metal ornaments are mostly made using the lost wax method, the same process as used by luxury jewellery brands.
It's my first time to witness the process of how jewellery is made. And this process is very special. It's been around for thousands of years and is rich in Chinese history. In my hand right now, I have the raw material of brass. After such, you will end up with something like this. This is actually dozens and dozens of earrings that will turn into a beautiful design.
With years of experience, they have established their own brand and now produce over 100 new designs every day, both domestically and internationally. I can see a lot of exquisite Chinese designs and symbols from Chinese culture. It's such an exquisite design and so delicately made by the wonderful craftsmen of the workers downstairs. Like such tiny pieces, I don't think my fingers could make it, but it's so beautiful. Before today, I know the phrase "made in China," but after today, I have also learned designed in China and what truly charming designs they are.